an aftermath of our solar inverter installation series. I refuse to say welcome to our solar inverter installation series because this has been captured already, and but it's an aftermath of it. We just want to have a close look at a few stuff again within the system. So the idea is to really buttress a whole lot more about the SunSynk inverter, its strengths, its weaknesses, if there are any, and then what makes it unique and stands out within the inverter market. So I'm just taking a close view of our SunSynk hybrid inverter and all that. It's an IP41, so it's more of an indoor setup. You understand? So it's actually designed as a double MPPT tracker inverter, not like the generic inverter that will give you double MPPT points, but in actual sense it's just a single MPPT. This is actually true to true or true and true double MPPT. A VMP of 40 to 60 volts max. It's a 48 volts VDC setup, and then 120 volts to 450 volts as the PV. So what makes this inverter very interesting is the fact that I barely talk about products. I barely emphasize on product quality per se, not per se, more like talk about or give credits to products. But this one has actually caught my attention because of its uniqueness and then why it stands out. In the market today, in the Nigerian solar space, few inverters would actually sit toe-to-toe with the SunSynk inverter. One unique thing about this inverter is you can actually, as a technician, as an engineer, you can actually control the settings anywhere you are in the world. Not like the regular inverters that will give you Wi-Fi applications to monitor, but little to do as to how you can control or change settings, parameters, and all of that. With this SunSynk inverter, with this inverter in Port Harcourt here now, if I'm in Lagos, I can be able to change the battery configuration, the AC configuration, the export and import configuration, the grid type, the grid voltage, frequency, and a whole lot more. It's possible for me to change it remotely wherever I am. It's first of its kind. SunSynk would soon be incorporating AI setup. In no time, AI would actually come in, exactly tell you how you can monitor your system, how well the weather would perform for the day, and then tell your inverter system how it's able to generate energy or it's able to harvest energy from the sun. That's the AI mode for the SunSynk, which will soon be in the public domain for Nigeria. This inverter has the capacity to function like an on-grid inverter, where you would be able to export energy to the grid.